So we will start. Okay. Can you
Auntie, in the
see?
document
Yeah.
you sent, the only the first three questions are like visible. The other questions, like it's just the pages are just empty. It's just showing blank
So the
things.
same document I shared it with you.
Yeah,
Can you open
yeah,
it in a different window or something? Did you try to open this in browser?
yeah. In the browser only, I opened it, but then it said
Okay.
it didn't say anything. It just
So
was
then
not visible.
try to download it and open it in the Word. Okay. So I am opening it in the
Okay,
Word. It should be visible. I didn't do anything after that. Like I have shared it with you. It's the same document showing it to you.
okay. I'll try downloading it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So let us start. You just try to answer me these questions. Okay. And then meanwhile, I'll also see some other questions for you. Okay. So yes, this one. Like what is string slice? How it is useful?
To separate the so we use a string slice by using the index values to separate the elements, the specific elements in the string,
Mm-hmm.
using the sling. You using the split function.
Okay, very good. So there you have to also write like you'll be using the square bracket to slice it. Okay. So how can you write is what you can say like this operator, the slicing that is square bracket and the colon operator which is used to separate the strings. Okay, slice the string. Okay, and also you can give an example for that. Okay. You can just create a variable here. So for example, s is equal to some variable, and if you wanted to print, if you wanted to slice something, so you can write print s of something 1:4, and you can show the output of that.
Okay.
Clear? So next one, write a Python script that travels through an input string and prints its character in a different line, 2 characters per line. For example, what I'm trying to say here is what if you are getting the string as Python, okay?
Okay.
So py should be in the first line, th should be in the second line, and on should be in the third line. These question I have taken from the previous year question paper. Okay. So do you want to try?
One second.
Do you have your laptop ready, or
Yeah,
I'll
I'm
also
switching to the
open parallelly? Yeah.
Andy, which question am I supposed to try?
So this one, write a Python script that travels through an input string. So you can either get the input string from the user, or you can make the string as like a constant string, like s is equal to Python or something. Okay.
Okay, okay,
This question, I'm talking about this second question.
okay.
Meanwhile, I'll open the Python visualizer as well. You too try. I'm going to try here. Okay, let's see.
Andy, for this I can use the while loop, right?
But you can use while loop, but here for loop will work out, right? You while loop will you try like whatever the thing you wanted to go ahead with, you try that.
Okay.
I'll also try that. Okay. I'm also trying in front of you. You can try whatever it is coming to your mind, just try that.
NT, I sent it.
Okay. Mm, okay. I'm sending my code. Okay, I'll try my code as well. I'll try your code first. Okay. Mm, very good. Okay, I think usually I can understand because for the for loop, when I was studying, even I got the same fear. Okay, like in within a for loop, I will think like what to write it in the for loop, but it will be
Yeah,
easy with the while loop. Okay.
yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, you can write like if they are asking if they are anyhow it is going through the iteration. Okay, they won't be specific about it, but you just try to work on your challenging part. Okay, because for loop is literally making you tough, so try also with the for loop as well. Okay, it's a good try, right? So we have to use len there. So you have already tried that. Let us go ahead with the next question. Okay, write a function. Did you like have you they whether they have covered the function part?
Yes, Auntie, they've covered the function part.
Okay, so which function would you choose to use to remove leading and trailing white spaces from the given string? Okay, we have already gone through this, right? Okay, which function will you use to reduce the leading and trailing white spaces?
Uh, like strip function.
Very good. Strip function, you can use it. Okay. So for that, you should not just give the answer, I'll be using a strip function. No, you have to give an example.
Okay,
Okay, whatever the question asked, like just go ahead with the example for that. That makes sense.
okay.
Okay. Next comes suggest appropriate function for the following task. Yes, you can think and tell me to check whether the string contains digit.
Is digit function.
Very good. Is digit, you have to don't forget this one. Okay. If you're writing is digit, okay, you have to open and close the parenthesis.
Okay,
This open and close parenthesis shows that you are using a function. Okay.
okay.
If you simply go ahead with it is digit, this is like a variable.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it is always recommended to write the function name clearly, function with the proper parenthesis clearly. So when you are telling is it is an is digit, is digit open and close parenthesis. Okay, next one to find occurrences of a string within another string.
I'm not sure about this one.
This is find. Okay, find
Okay.
function we have learned, right? A string, you have already a string called hello world. If you want to find an occurrences of another string like WOR or world is there or not, then you have to use the find function.
Okay, okay.
Okay, to convert the first letter of a string to the uppercase.
A title function.
Title or capitalize?
Oh, like, uh,
I think it's
okay,
a
yeah.
capitalize, right?
Okay, I thought
Capitalize, right? Yeah,
title
tell
would
me, tell.
also because title like it changes it converts the first letter of the each word into capital. So I thought that
Okay,
might
they
mention.
haven't specified that. It is when they are asking first letter of a string. Only one string they are talking about. Okay, first letter
Oh,
of a string. They haven't meant the first letter of a every meaningful word.
oh, okay. So when
Okay.
when we were supposed to write it only when they specify
Yeah, yeah,
each
yeah,
word.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Or else, if you are confused with, you can write this is like the first letter of the word. Okay, word, and you can also add, like you can also make a comma and say like title. Okay, which is like the first letter of every meaningful word.
okay,
Okay, if you are confused with. If not, it's not like confusion. It's like whether you don't find what to add it here. So you can just bring both the functions and explain why you have mentioned here. Okay, but good. To convert all the letters of a string to uppercase.
Um, is upper.
Yeah,
I
very
mean, no,
good.
no, no, no. Upper. Just
Up,
to convert.
just
Okay.
an upper. I thought you are telling it is upper. Okay, so
Oh, okay,
uppercase.
okay.
Okay, it's just upper.
Yeah.
Then, okay, I'm just writing here. Okay, the next one F. Okay, D, E, F, right? Okay. To check whether all the letters of the string are in a capital letters.
Is upper.
Very good. Okay, I hope you found some difference between both, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To
To
check
remove
and to
all,
convert.
yes, exactly. Very good. To remove all the white spaces from the beginning of a string, you know,
L, L strip.
L strip, exactly, L strip. Okay. Yes. Now find the errors. What are the errors here? When you're finding the error, be very careful while reading it. Okay.
Oh, like it says print S5, but then there is only like, yeah, there is no fifth index, so index is out of range.
Okay. Fine. Index is out of range. That is one error you have found out. Very good.
And like you cannot add the integer to the string. Like it's S0 and then plus one. So yeah,
You're talking about S of 9 plus S of 9 colon 15.
no, no. Uh, how am I supposed to word this? Are you? Mhm.
One
Yeah.
you have found out. Okay. One thing you found out is the index out of bound. Index out of bound exception. You will get an indexing error. Okay. The second one
Oh,
is
print is in capital. P is
very
in
good.
capital.
Okay. Print is a capital. That is the main error. And actually, the adding part will happen because S of 9 will also give you what it will give you a string. S of 9 colon 15 will also give you a string. Actually, if it is inside the index value, okay, both will give you the string. So the plus operator will work out. Okay. The
Okay,
problem with the print statement is only P, capital P.
got it.
Okay. And usually what people will think when they are writing the exam, S is equal to Pura, and next time they have entered, like they have made the next line, right? So that is error they will feel like, but this is not error.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like multiple
Yes.
line.
Yes. Very good. So that's not an error. So now
Okay.
find the output. If we give input as hello, so what will happen here?
What is iris supposed to mean? Okay, it's just okay. Empty. Okay.
Can you come again?
No, I was
RS is an
confused
empty
with
string. RS is an empty string. They have declared. Hello?
can
Am
you
I
hear me?
audible? Yeah, I
Yeah.
can hear you. Some problem with my issue. Okay. Usually we will give the empty string when, because if you wanted to make it as a temporary variable, okay, or if you want to hold a result to that particular variable. Okay,
Okay.
here RS is an empty string.
Okay. Uh,
Here they have mentioned CH, that is indexing. Okay. Because you have a character, it's not only it no need to be like only I is a variable. It can be ch, it can be sa, anything. Okay, so
okay.
people usually confuse when they see ch there, because usually they used to see only I in that particular place.
Yeah, I was confused with something.
Are you trying? Are you writing the loop?
Auntie, actually, I wasn't able to hear you for the last few minutes.
Sorry, can you come again?
I was not able to hear you for the last few minutes.
No,
There
I
was a
didn't
glitch.
speak anything. I was waiting for you to try.
Oh, I thought you were saying, okay, I thought you were saying something.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll explain the first one. You try the second one. Okay,
Okay.
so let us see the loop one. Okay, what happens in the loop one is what the C S will be, you will be getting an input. Okay, let us say that you are getting the input as hello. Okay, HELLO. So what happens? RS will be empty. Now it will get into the loop one. Okay, for CH in S, which means that now CH will be, okay, now CH will be H. Okay,
Okay.
CH in, so it will go on first check the first one. And now what happens? RS, now the val is an empty string, right? RS will be what is CH? H plus RS, which is an empty string. So H will be added in the RS.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now what happens? You are trying to print the RS towards the end of this particular print statement is right. This is not inside the loop. Okay, if it is inside the loop, it should have written here in this indentation.
Okay.
Okay, it is outside the loop, so this print statement will work after the loop stops.
Okay. Okay.
Clear? So the
Yeah.
here is an another thing you should be very careful where the print is coming up, like whether it is if it is inside the loop, like whether if it is inside, then you have to print the H value here. This should be printed there.
Okay.
Okay, so it is S plus RS, right? So it should be printing like hello and S H, but it should not be there. Okay,
Yeah.
now
Okay.
let us go to loop 2. Now what happens? Your loop 2, in your loop 2, what will happen? Your CH will be E. Now the value of CH will become E.
Yeah.
Okay, and now what happens? Already you in RS you have H,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
yes, now you are adding CH and RS. So now the value of RS will be updated. Now it what it will happen is what CH. What is CH? It's E and then H.
Oh.
You
Okay.
are reversing it.
Okay. So it will just be O L. Okay.
Yeah,
O L L
the
E H.
OLLEH is exactly.
Okay.
Okay, and then loop 2 goes, loop 3, it will go, and then your CH will be like E, sorry, it's like L. Okay, it will be L, and RS will now become E. It's already, you have what? E and H. Now you have to add it, right? So LEH.
Okay.
Okay,
If it was
likewise, yeah,
RS plus CH, it will be hello. But then since that one has changed, like
yes,
the final
yes,
output is changed.
yes, L plus EH. Now RS will be like, after this loop, this RS, RH will be updated like this.
Okay.
Okay, and next after this loop, it will be like L plus EH, so it will be LEH. Likewise, it will go on till loop 5, and finally, your output will be OLLEH. Okay, if you are making, be careful about the case sensitivity. If you are making H as capital, then you have to follow the same thing throughout the end of this. So, better what I can recommend you is if you are showing some example, either make everything as a capital letter or make everything as a small letter so that you will not miss anything.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to
Okay.
try this?
Yeah, I'll try the second one.
Yeah, just write it. Okay, you don't want to try the code, just write loop 1. What happens if you get the SHELLO? What will happen?
Okay. And I'm getting the final output as OOLLLEE and then triple H and then hello.
Okay, you're getting it should be like double O, um, 4L,
Yeah,
double E, and yes, very good. Output should be like that, like O double O 4L double E triple H ELO.
yeah, that's one I got.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so next comes WAP. Like usually, write the output. So usually, I'll tell you one thing. When we see this for loop, this the same fear comes into my mind when I was 11th and 12th standard. Okay, when you see the for loop, don't get panic. Just start iterating through the loop. Like manually do it so that you will understand what to do that, how it is working out.
Okay,
Okay, compared to while loop, for loop is far better. But the only thing is you should understand what is happening inside.
okay,
Okay,
auntie.
so WAP to print, like you can write a program to print the following pattern without using any nested loop. You should not use the nested loop. Yesterday we have already tried. If you want to try, you can try that.
Okay,
It's
auntie.
very
Yeah, I'll
simple.
try.
Mm, yeah.
Auntie, I'll try each and each program, then I'll send it to you in chat.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. That's fine.
Okay,
So even WAP print the number of occurrences of a substring into a line. You just try this palindrome. This is the usual question. Even I got the question when I was in 12th standard. So you just try to understand the palindrome, reversing a string. Whenever it is string concept, they cannot go beyond this. Okay, reversing a string, palindrome of a string. Palindrome, I hope you know, right? Madam is a palindrome.
yeah,
Yeah. So this all the program you will write and send it to me.
okay, auntie.
Okay. And yes, MCQ, you can try this.
Auntie, I can use the count that function right for the second one.
For the second, which one you're talking? This one.
Yeah, to print the number of occurrences.
How many times it has occurred?
Yeah, like can you use the
Yeah,
count
you
or
have
will
to
be
use
more?
count. You have to use count. Yeah, count
Okay.
is the easiest way, shortest way to do that.
Because like sometimes my teacher just tells us after teaching the whole function, she tells us not to use any function.
Okay, okay. So here, according to this program, they haven't mentioned that you should not use this or that. Okay. If it is general, you can go ahead with the functions directly.
Okay.
Why your teacher is saying that? Because so only you will know how to do it with the loop, multiple loops. Okay. If it
Okay.
is not specifically mentioned, you can try the
Okay.
functions. Yeah. Can you try this MCQ?
1 second. YTH B.
Yes. Correct. Next one. Which of the following methods is used to remove the white spaces? I hope you know this.
Strip
Yes. So next one, what will be the output of the following code?
A.
Hello. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So it's a hello. Okay, but you should be very careful when you see some options like error. Okay, because there may be error, so be very careful. Where are the thing where you should be very careful in the sense whether they have used the same variable name here. Okay, you have to cross check that and print whether any capital letter in their print statement, and whether they have used the proper open and close parenthesis clearly, and whether the double quotes is properly closed, whether it's a single quote or it's a double quote. Okay, so when
Okay.
you see any options as error, be very careful.
Okay, auntie.
Okay, now which of the following is not a valid string?
Um, I think it's reverse, but I'm not sure.
Okay, correct. It's a reverse. Upper is there. Even I'm thinking. Split is there. Join is there. We don't have reverse. Okay,
Okay.
good. Next one. What is the result of the following expression?
Python with no spaces. C.
Very good. Very good. It's Python, and Python is no spaces. So good observation. So you should check here. So they will confuse you here, and also when you see error again, please be very careful with that. Okay.
Okay. And I
Let
just had a
us.
doubt. If like
Yeah.
for example in the question if they give Python and then after n there's a single space,
Mm-hmm.
in that time will it be Python and then two spaces and
Space.
then Python or like Python? Okay. Yeah.
No, Python
Yeah.
one space Python, because
Okay,
this is
Python one
multiply by
space
2,
Python.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Python one space Python, and then there will be one space there. Okay.
Okay.
But we will not usually see that. Only that is visible when you're seeing it in the yeah, allocation, space allocation. When
Okay.
it is allocated in the space, you can find, if it is in the box like allocation, if you see, you can find one more space for one more box for space.
Like the one that
That,
you do with dictionary, the mapping.
yeah, yeah. While the mapping, you can see, like if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 will be there. 13 indexing will be there.
Okay.
Okay, so we cannot see that visibly. So even here, you cannot find out that okay, this is the correct one or not. So if it is like a space, you should choose the B option. Since there is no space, you can just go ahead with the another option. Okay, so uh, okay, I want you to try that all the code. Okay, and
Okay.
then yeah, any other questions you have? If you want, we can also connect. I have a call at 9 o'clock, so that is why I'm just going. So just have complete this program and send it to me by today itself. No, like before you goes to sleep, go to bed.
Yeah,
Is that
sure.
okay?
Yeah, yeah. I only have two more codes left. I'll share it with you in WhatsApp.
You just try, okay? Just try writing it. Don't type it, because when we write it, we will understand. Okay, write and try to iterate through the loop. You will get the code, you will feel like it is correct, but when you iterate, you will start writing like a loop, like I used to write here, no, like loop 1, loop 2, okay, loop 3. This is what like steps of coding, like step level. If you try this, you will understand it even more better.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so if
Yes.
even if you want one more session, we can connect tomorrow like the same time, so that if you have any other pending topics, we can revise it better, and I will come with a lot of MCQs to try. Okay,
Sure.
I'm
Yeah.
just trying to get some what to say, previously asked questions, like previous year question paper, but I couldn't find properly. I'm just collecting from uh, various sources, but it is not completely just happening. If you
Yeah.
have anything,
Actually, for like 11th grade, it's not very, only for 10th and 12th, there are a lot of websites to put in like
mm,
last year's papers, but then for 11th grade, there's no papers. But I'll, I-
yes, that.
I'll see, I'll check if we have anything.
Yeah, so that we can concentrate on what kind of, I could guess what kind of questions they may ask. Okay, let us connect tomorrow or on Friday, and we will discuss. Like last time, you remember? I told like a few questions you may get. I think at least 50% of the questions which we guessed, you got it right.
Yeah, auntie, yeah. I understood.
Likewise, we can just discuss like what might be the question, and I'll also try to collect it. Okay, if I'm getting any question, I will share it with you. You just try to solve it.
Okay, auntie. And I sent something as a PDF in like in our group. Just
Okay, yeah,
see
sure.
if you can open it. I have this app for like it's like exemplar. All the main important questions and topic wise, it's there for each subject. For this, computer science, I just looked and there are five sample papers and MCQs topic wise.
Okay, good
If
one. I
this
could
is
open
good,
it. Questions, you have shared one, no? I could open it.
yeah. These are all sample papers and like they usually ask this in Sahodaya exams.
Okay.
So if this one's okay, I'll like from next class
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
share the
yeah. You
screen.
just share it with me so that I can get it.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay, dear. Okay, take
Thank you.
care. You
Thank you.
just let me know while writing the code if you are facing some issues, like if you cannot understand something, you just let me know through the group so that immediately I can whenever when we meet next time, I can immediately first concentrate on that part.
Okay, yeah. I'll try it out and send it to you.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.